foodies, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lethabo. Today I am not alone. I am with my sister because AMC and I are starting a series called At Home This Christmas, where I will be sharing recipes with you on how to create yummy, delicious meals for your Christmas lunch. We have our beef fillet, red onion, carrots, and baby potatoes. I am not alone in the kitchen today. I am cooking this amazing meal with my sister because that's one thing we love doing as a family. We love just sharing a meal and cooking together. So I'm starting by adding oil into my pan and then as well as spicing up my meat on all sides. Please make sure that you spice up your meat very well, and then you're going to start by browning it before you bake it in the oven. Brown it on all sides. Make sure that the skin is quite crisp. My sister was doing the chopping for me, and one thing she did mention while she was using the knives is that the AMC knives were quite sharp. She even started becoming super nervous while using the knives because she felt like she was going to chop her fingers off. Then, once your meat is browned on both sides, you are going to add your vegetables. Add all your vegetables, and then you are going to finish off with beef stock. The reason we use the beef stock is so that the vegetables can also cook through, and you're going to have your liquid that will also help with the gravy. My oven was on 180 degrees preheated. You are going to make sure that you cook it until it is ready. My family likes it very well done. You can decide how you like it done. And then I am going to get my sister to start slicing it. And voila, just look at that. Just look at that. It is so good. It looks yummy. It was juicy. It was tender. And while my sister is continuing, I am removing the vegetables. I am also adding gravy powder to my beef stock to create this amazing gravy. Look at the job my sister did assembling this together. I was super chuffed, as you can see, and my sister got a little bit jealous. She also wanted to add the sauce. Then you can create with your family. Thank you so much for joining us today. It was an amazing time spending time in the kitchen with my sister. And how was it?
Super easy. I can't wait. Let's go nibble.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.